Well, good afternoon and welcome to the Idahoan Show. You know, normally when I'm out camping, I prefer to cook over an open fire, but this has been an extraordinarily dry year, and so there's already fire restrictions in effect, and thus I'm relegated to cooking over a gas camp stove. And that being the case, though, I came up with a setup here that I thought might be worth showing you. So there's two pieces to this setup. The first piece is basically just a piece of wooden cribbing that I made for the back of my truck. So this holds my camp stove, the propane bottle, and my cooler, and keeps it from moving around or bouncing around while I'm driving to the campsite, even over relatively rough roads. When I'm using the camp stove, I pull it out onto the tailgate like this, but then I've got the cribbing designed to interface with the inside of the wheel wells so that when I push it in and close the tailgate, everything is just naturally locked in place. The second piece is this table, which also serves as a cover for the gear in the back of the truck. So this is dimensioned such that the legs fit down right around the cooler and the camp stove and the cribbing, and then these holes are right over the tie downs on my pickup bed, so I can tie that down, although the way it fits in there, it's really not going anywhere anyways. But when it's not in the bed of the truck covering my gear, it makes a pretty good camp table, and it's just about the right height so that if you've got a rock or a log to sit on, you're right at a comfortable height for using the table. So this is the first time that I've had this thing out in the field, but it seems to work pretty well. You know, well enough that I thought the idea would be worth sharing with you all. Now, I can't share the exact plans with you because I didn't make any. I just kind of built it off the cuff without any design drawings. And even if I had come up with design drawings, it might not do you a lot of good because there's a lot of different makes and models of pickup trucks and coolers and camp stoves, and they're all going to be a little bit different size, and so the dimensions that worked for me are probably not going to be exactly the same as what would work for you. But I think if you understand the concept, it's not terribly difficult to build some cribbing and implement it yourself. Anyway, just an idea that I wanted to share with you, and until next time, thanks for watching the Idahoan Show.